we are going to discuss about very good Python function that is factorial. So basically what happens in factorial, let's suppose you are doing a factorial of 4. So wait a minute. So what you are doing in that, let's suppose there is function. You have to do factorial of 5. So how it going to work? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 1. So that is 5 into that is 120. Let's suppose you want to do factorial of 3. So it could be 6. So factorial of 3 equals to 6 and factorial of 5 is 120. So let's deep dive into the coding part. So we are going to do by recursive approach. So what is recursive approach? You are calling your function itself. So in function we can call other function also, but in recursive case we are calling our function itself. So let's see how we can do def. If any keyword starting with def, we know that it is function. Factorial of fan. So basically this is def means keyword for function, and factorial is function name, and that is parameter n. So we are passing only one argument. If our number is 0 or our number goes to 1, then return me sorry then return me 1. Else if my number is other than 1 or 0, then return me factorial of n means my number. Suppose I am passing a number, and to factorial of n minus 1. So this portion you are seeing, factorial into n minus 1, means it will give I was talking about recursive approach. So this is recursive approach. It is calling by its function itself. So this is factorial of n minus 1 means it let's suppose we are passing number 5. So it will do 5 into factorial of 5 minus 1 4. So that is 5 into factorial of 4. So we'll see later. So now first we'll see how we can print a factorial of 5. Print and factorial of n. So for printing or validating any function, we have to go through this. So let's see how it can work. So you can see that is 120. Again, I am showing you we are getting factorial of 5 is 120. So let me see. We make it syntax is more good. Factorial of number is, so now we will the syntax and printing will be in a good format. Factorial of number is 120. Factorial of let me print, yeah. Okay, factorial of number is 5. So it's going to work. Let's suppose there. So there that is n into factorial of n minus 1. So our n value is 5. 5 into factorial of 4. So it is doing function by itself. Now function will be 4 into factorial of n minus 1, that is 3. Now it will do 3 into factorial of 2. Now it will call 2 into factorial of 1. Now so for getting factorial of 5, so recursive function factorial, then going through this. So it is applying this method. So that is all about the factorial. I will upload the code in link in the description, so you can get the code from there also. And stay tuned for the next tutorial. Thank you.